you guys, today's partner trick is a swan dive. Now this is another partner trick. I'm going to have Carter and Miley go ahead and demonstrate this for you. How we're going to start, Carter is going to bend down and Miley is going to sit all the way up onto his shoulder. Now, it's super important that Carter is really strong here and that they're creating this resistance. Now, I really want Miley to be as strong as she can. It's imperative that the person being lifted keeps their body nice and strong. If you are loose or you've become like a wet noodle at all, it becomes impossible and really difficult to lift you. So she's keeping her body really tight. She's got her arm lifted here. She's going to use her eyes to follow around, reaching all the way for the floor, and then coming to a finish. This again is called a swan dive, and just remember, if you are being lifted, we need you to be strong too.